Now that the vaccination effort has been underway for several months, the early successes some counties in our region saw are beginning to hit a wall.
13 News reporter Natalie Wattis has more on why Scioto County officials are concerned about the fact that they have more shots than arms to put them in. Natalie.
Scioto County, Ohio initially had great success in pushing COVID-19 vaccines out. They even led the state in the percentage of the population vaccinated at times. But now the numbers have gone the other way.
Before vaccination started, Ohio's had 4.4 million people, or 37.56%, with at least one dose. Here in Scioto County, we're at right under 31%, so we're lagging a little bit behind.
Mullins worries that disparity is growing greater with each passing week. Stats are one thing, but it's what's already being seen on the ground that's most worrisome.
4 weeks ago, we had well over 500 dose ones come in a week, which is what we want to see. If you compare that to last week, it was only about 100.
One day a week we were doing a drive-through. At the most, I think we did 70 to 80 people in a 3-4 hour period. Now we're basically lucky to fill 10 vaccine slots a day. We're only offering vaccines once a week.
So why has this community seemingly had a change of heart? It's something officials from Shawnee State University wanted to discover.
We conducted an opinion survey, a poll on social media. Right now we have about 125 who responded. We asked, have you received the vaccine? If not, can you tell us why? The majority of those who answered that question have really talked about concern over the safety of the vaccine.
It's an all too familiar theme.
It has to be proven that it's not going to create a health risk versus prevent a health risk. And I think right now people are afraid that it could cause more damage.
Now, health officials say they're up against the clock.
It's a race of time. The more chance that the virus has to mutate and defeat the vaccines, that's going to spread the pandemic more.
As it now stands, around 25% of Scioto County residents are fully vaccinated, and they are urging people who have concerns to reach out to their primary care providers or pharmacists to learn more about the vaccine safety. In the Huntington newsroom, Natalie Wattis, 13 News, working for you.